Hello friends, welcome to this LNW tutorials and today's topic for shell jobs. For this lab I am using VirtualBox version 6.1 and for this I am using the virtual machine which is CentOS 8. Now I am stopping here and go for full screen. I do a login here. This is my shell. I have opened my terminal. Basically you just go on the activities and click on the terminal, then you will find this. So now I'm starting here friends. First, what is the bash or shell? You should already know. So I'm assuming you know how it works and I'm starting further. Basically I have to start any job like Firefox or any terminal or something else which required to get interactively, then how it can be managed through the shell or through the terminal. So this should be going to know here. Now suppose I'm starting here Firefox, I need to browse something and I'm going to start Firefox, and for this I start one text editor here, and first do I save is okay notes. Here I do write now. Here I'm going to start my Firefox. I hit enter. It have started. Now I use new tab and it works perfect. So it have started, but I'm able to see if I hit here enter, it's not going to give me a shell. Instead it just blinking here. What should I do here? Because I have to work and I have just only one shell. Then you just simply do Ctrl Z for stop temporarily your shell job. Then you have to run this background before I just hit jobs and it says Firefox have stopped. Let me validate here. Just go on the Mozilla Firefox. I'm doing the wait and I'm hitting for new tab, but it's not giving to do that because it's temporarily stop in mode and will not execute it. Well, now I just run another chase. It's for camera. Let me do execute. It's executed. Now let me switch here on videos, burst, take a photo. Basically no device found it, is it? That's why it's not showing me effect. Well, overall I'm just hitting Ctrl Z to stop. Now I put the jobs, these two jobs running on this prompt. If I close this terminal, then both the process which I have executed, one for Firefox and Chase, both will execute. But I want to not do this. Just I'm hitting the jobs. Firstly I'm doing the BG to run background Firefox. Instead I just hit this process number in the jobs. I want to run in a background Firefox. Now we have the another command fg for foreground, and on the foreground I want to run this cheese. I hit enter here. Now you see here again the blinking is starting here instead of this type command shell. Well, here whatever you do or make changes, it will be executing. I just close here, close it, take a photo once, closed, and it's started. I've started a normal shell. Now look here, earlier I tried many for new tab, and it's get executed because when I was hitting for the new job, it's not going because that time I have stopped it. Now this time if I like to have new, I just hitting new and it working normal, and even I have the shell here to work. So this is the two bg. This is my one. It's notes bg for background, fg for foreground, and I did was Control Z. Now I just closing here the Firefox this time. Now what about if Firefox is running and this head is just frequently blinking and I need the shell? In that case we have the Control C to cancel the interactive, but here is what the Firefox have closed. To avoid this we use background or foreground, means fg or bg command. Next, if I have to, suppose I want to run the Firefox and there is one ampersand through which using if you run the command you will execute on the same time in a background. So this is, and if you just even close the shell, then also this will be running. I will show you here. I'm just moving here and closing the shell. There is a process running in the terminal. Close. Yeah, actually this is attached from this shell. If I close it, then it will running. Then what should I do? First I need to make it on background on this jobs. Jobs running already in background. Now I have closed the terminal now and the process already in the background, and I am able to see here still my Firefox is running as a normal. Even I am able to create a new tab. So this few things which you need to remember: ampersand for normal running the shell command, background for running the background use bg, for running the foreground means front of shell is fg, Control Z for temporary stop, and Control C for cancel the interactive shell. So friends, I'm ending here this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and share with the friends. Have a great time. Thanks for watching.